In this video, you will learn how to overlay images to photos on iPhone. So if you want to add objects or icons as overlay on iPhone photos, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReview, and without any further delay, let's learn how to overlay images on iPhone photos. In order to show you how to overlay objects or icons as overlay on iPhone photos, let's first open Photos app, and we are going to select a photo that we want to add as overlay on another photo. So let's select this one, and here we are going to select the object or icon from here. I'll just tap on it, and you'll see that the outer border will be highlighted like this. And when you select the object in the photo, you'll also notice that you will get these options here. Here what we have to do is we have to just tap on add sticker, and that will be added as sticker here on your iPhone. Now we can use this as sticker anywhere on iPhone, and further you may also tap on add effect option and add any effect like outline, comic style, puffy, shiny, like this one. I'll go with outline and then tap done. And once you have lifted the object from the image, next we are going to add this image as overlay over any other iPhone photos. For that, just tap cancel, and next we are going to select the photo on which we want to add this as overlay. Here, once the photo has been opened, next tap on this edit icon, and then you get these options. Here we have to tap on the markup icon here. So tap on this pencil icon, and that will open markup options on your iPhone photos. Next, we have to tap on this plus icon, and after that we get these options to insert over the photo. So now in order to add that selected object as overlay over this image, we have to tap on add sticker, and that will provide us the options to select the sticker that we just created. Here we are going to select this one, and that will be added as overlay. And further you may adjust the size by selecting from the corner and dragging it like this. Depending upon your requirements, you may keep it like this and overlay over the image. And once that is done, simply tap on done checkmark, and that object or icon will be added as image overlay over this iPhone photo. And once edit is done, simply tap on done checkmark, and that will be saved in your iPhone photos. So this way you may add any person's photo or icon as overlay over iPhone photos. I hope this video was helpful in learning how to overlay images on iPhone photos. If yes, please hit the like button to let me know. And by the way, if you want to learn how to add border frame over iPhone photos, make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.